Hi everyone, thank you for watching Vida Universo Mente, Life Universe Mind. Today I'm gonna to talk about how can get out of conflicting relationship. We do not choose as a couple the idea that we have imagined of what it would be. In personal exchange, each party brings what it has, the good and the bad, and that there may be misunderstandings, conflicts, and situations to be resolved so that people can adapt and complement each other. In the case of conflicting relationships, it enough become a problem for both people, so seeing toxic a drug that they know hurts them but from which they cannot take off. At the beginning of a relationship, there is passion, possession. Everything is wonderful. We share a lot activities together, but something that make us uncomfortable indicates that the relationship can become stormy. But we insist. We begin to live a situation of control that need to know where the other person is. Then the fear comes to think that our partner will leave us or be unfaithful. And there we fall into the conditioning and subsequent domination. The couple inadvertently fall into a toxic relationship and then becomes a sick relationship. But what makes us reach a conflict relationship? The answer is that everything is related to affection, which is fundamental in the construction of the personality that each person has developed. The low esteem, the lack of self-love make a person can be involved in this type and need a reaffirmation by part of your partner at every turn, and the constantly needs flattery and to be uh, constantly pleased. To avoid falling in that kind of relationship, for anyone can fall, is to know oneself enough to make a clear decision whether the way when to love or suffer. There are several factors to fall into this type of conflicting relationship. There is fear of abandonment. It is a great alert. The person feels excluded by his partner and fights by all means to avoid. The threat appears in any activity that the person does not feel, included by his partner, is considered a threat. Here the blackmails appear. The control where impose authority over the other fields. Owners of the other, and it is from all walks of life. And therefore, the reproaches and victimization are not through the hostile behavior of what you dislike of the other, and the victimization of telling the other that she does everything for her because she loves her. How can get out conflicting relationships? you have realized that it's not a healthy relationship the way until it is, and how dangerous it can be. We have to keep in mind, if we are blaming the other of the conflicting situation that is going on, if we turn the other person into what we want it to be, if we idolize the couple to go into action, things, and let themselves be manipulated by my desires. There are many more factors that need to be analyzed. If you are living a conflicting relationship, you have to look deep and recognize their actions in order to unlock those situations. But if not, it's best to divorce and strictly learning so as not to live it again. If you like this video, give it a like. What do you think? Are these really these factors, or do you know others to help those who are in conflicts? Leave me your comments down here. If you haven't subscribed yet to our channel, you can do it. It's free. So thank you for watching Vida Universo Mente. Till next time, and share this video with your friends. Subscribe here on the photography appearing on the screen. Until next time, namaste.